One of the things that some folks who visit the Jocassee Gorges either stumble upon or someone directs them to, and they really don't understand what it's all about, is the remnants or the vestiges of the old Appalachian Lumber Railroad bed. And it's a pretty incredible phenomenon. In 1927, a New York entrepreneur acquired some 68,000 acres of mountain land in what we now know as the Jocassee Gorges, and constructed a sawmill just right there in the city of Pickens, and a narrow gauge railroad bed all the way into the true heart of the Jocassee Gorges. Now, this little narrow gauge railroad and the little tough as nails engine that they powered these things with worked their way all the way back into the farthest reaches of the Jocassee Gorges. And even today, you can still find remnants of the old Appalachian Lumber Railroad bed.
Tracks of the Appalachian Railroad still remain, a place Mother Nature has reclaimed. Peaceful East to toe.